Okay, folks, let's say this is the very first question on a functional skills maths paper for a non-calculated paper for any exam board. So for NCFE, NCON, Highfields, okay, TQUK, AQA or EdExcel, we're asked to write 5% as a fraction in its simplest form. Well, we know, guys, or we should know, that percent or percentage from our other videos and other lessons is out of 100. So we have 25 out of 100, so 25 hundredths, we say. Now, this is a fraction that can be simplified. I can divide top and bottom by 5 because it ends in a 5 and a 0. So dividing the top by 5, we get 5. Dividing the bottom by 5, we get 20, okay? So we divided top and bottom of this fraction by 5, but we can also go further, right? Because both 5 and 20 also have a common factor of 5. So dividing the top by 5, we get 1. Dividing the bottom by 5, we get 4. So this simplifies to 1 over 4, or 1/4, or 1/4, you might say, in its simplest form. And I can no longer simplify it further because there are no other common factors other than 1. 1, we call that, co-prime, okay, that goes into both 1 and 4. So that is 25% as a fraction in its simplest form. Okay, so that can be worth up to 2 marks on a functional skills exam. Okay, but it's appropriate for GCSE maths, okay, higher foundation, 11 plus, 13 plus, key stage 2 maths, key stage 3 maths, okay, or any adult learning year that is relearning the numbers section in the GCSE 9-1 maths course, looking at percentage to a fraction. So yeah, just to recap, guys, a percentage means per 100, so out of 100, okay, so it means per 100. Okay, so yeah, let's do that one more. Yeah, if I have like 38%, that'll be 38 out of 100, so 38 hundredths. This is a fraction which, again, I can only simplify. Okay, so divide top and bottom by 2 because they're both even numbers. Okay, so half top and bottom, and we get 19/50ths or 1950. Okay, but that's 38% as a fraction in its simplest form. Okay.